How to activate dark mode on iPhone. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can activate dark mode on your iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to activate dark mode on your iPhone, then all you have to do is just go ahead and first of all launch the settings app. There are many ways to actually turn on dark mode. Now the first way is by going to settings, then going to display and brightness, then switching from light to dark, just like this. As you can see, instantly the changes is going to take place, but I personally prefer the light for the video because the bezels are going to be defined. Now another way to do this is to simply swipe down a control center like this. You can add the dark mode toggle over here with a single tap, then you can be switched to dark mode, as you can see here, and again with a single tap you can be switched to light mode. You can add those toggles by going to settings over here, going to control center, and then just adding the dark mode toggle by just dragging them up from the bottom to the very top. Now last but not the least, one of the easiest ways without having to do anything is by simply swiping down the control center again, long pressing the brightness toggle here, and then here you'll find the dark mode button where you can just tap on it to turn on dark mode, tap on it to turn off dark mode. This is how you can activate dark mode on iPhone. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.